Hi guys, how una dey? So guys, this one is very quick one, very quick one. So guys, please and please always help me to share my video. I'm begging you guys, please and please, to those that always do so, thank you so much. I really appreciate everyone. Thank you so much. So guys, after tying it at the back, so we suck that short hand, we suck it inside. So after sucking it inside, so long hand this long hand I'm going to twist. You say how I'm going to twist it now. So you fold it like this, then bring it out. Let me redo it for you guys. So you bring it out like this. So this is how I will do it, like in 3 places is okay, so like 3 times is okay. The head wrap, as in the hand is not long like that. So then you put it again, bring it out, and the second one, then the third one as well. You do the third, them put it again, bring it out. So I think that's all. So you see the remaining hand now is not long. So after that, we have to place it there. You can see now. So you have to place it there. Let me redo it very well. So guys, please and please help me share this video. Help me share. I'm begging you guys, please help me share it. Help me share it. So after putting it like this, the remaining hand, you take it to the back. Take it to the back. Yeah. If your own scarf is long more than this, so you can make your own 6 layers. So this one is just 3. So you can make your own long more than this. Alright guys, please like, comment and share. Please, I'm begging you guys, like, comment and share, please and please. Okay guys, we are done. You can see. So after pin, I want to pin the back. So let me show you the back. See, so I'm trying to pin that place together. Yeah, so that is what I'm trying to do. So we are done. So guys, see you in my next video. Please don't forget me to share my video. Love you guys. Bye.